Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Well, in that case, feeling ko ready ka na and feeling ko mabilis lang to sa'yo. Okay. Punta ka dun sa pronunciation cheat sheet. Tapos, dun tayo sa page 5, yung list ng 100 most commonly used English words.
Okay po, wait.
Sabihin mo kung ready ka na.
Okay, sir. Page 5. Okay na, sir. I'm ready na sa page 5.
Okay. 1 to 20. Let's go.
I will read it, sir.
Yep. You will read it. 1 to 20.
Okay. The, be, to, of,
Oh,
and...
yeah. Sorry. So, remember, dun sa video, napanood mo yung tatlong video? Tatlong magkakaiba. Although, it's mostly the same topic. Pero mas detailed yung third video eh.
Ang napanood ko, sir, yung 1 to 100 na ano.
Yep, pero tatlong 1 to 100 yun. Na magkakaibang video.
Ay, yung isa lang po.
Oh, okay. Sige.
Isa lang po yung naka-attach po doon.
Sa page? Sure ka?
Opo, yung isa, yung time na ginawa ko to, sir. Pinapanood ko sa isang video na po yung naka-attach.
Okay, teka lang.
Or
Sure ko. Pero malaking tulong kasi yun eh. So, I recommend na after ng session natin, you can watch that as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ang most important thing, since, di ba in our last discussion, you mentioned na introverted ka, you want to increase the volume of your voice to maximum. So, sagad mo, pinakamalakas. Take a deep breath when you before you speak. Tapos, paano mo binabasa yung what do you call that? Yung guide. Is it on a computer or on your phone or
Hard copy.
hard copy, print out?
Opo.
So nakalagay yung print out, anong level? Chest level, neck level, or face level? Sa paghahawak mo.
Kanina, sir, nasa table. So, parang naka-down yung mukha ko.
Yep. So, number 1, if you're looking down, your jaw loses mobility. So, hindi mo mabuksan yung bibig mo.
Yeah.
And parang it also traps the sound in your throat.
Okay.
So, you want to make sure if you're holding that piece of paper, like face level, it should be directly in front of your face.
Okay, sir.
And yeah, like ganun talaga. And then you project as if may kausap ka sa harap mo, pero pretend as if kausap mo yung kausap mo sa harap mo. So you're not imagining just one person. Imagine two people, one in front of the other. Ang kausapin mo yung nasa likod.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Sige, let's go.
Okay. The, be, to, of, and, in, that, have, I, it, for, not, on, with, he, as, you, do, at.
See? Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa'yo, lakihan mo yung pag-open ng mouth mo when you speak. But since you already corrected your posture, you sound a lot better. Pero yun, just be mindful na lakihan mo when you open your mouth. When you're speaking Taglish, usually maliit yung buka ng bibig. But when you're speaking English, it has to be, your mouth should be wider when you speak. Pero you sound okay. You sound okay dun sa first 20 words. Let's see the next 20 words.
21 to 40.
Yep.
This, but, his, by, from, they, we, say, her, she, or, and, will, my, one, all, would, there, what.
Okay, very good. Some of the words, so the easiest way for me to teach pronunciation is to point out the difference between the Taglish pronunciation and the English pronunciation. Now, with the English pronunciation, it's usually the words, we open our mouth wider, but we also tend to shorten the vowels in the words. So, if you recall, ano ba magandang word? In Taglish, we call ang tawag natin sa kainan in Taglish is restaurant, right? But in the English pronunciation, it's a restaurant.
Okay.
It's yung mapapansin mo, yung sound ng vowels is not like the full sound. It's like at least half,
Okay.
or it's almost not there anymore. So kaya ako siya naalala when you said yung will mo is medyo matagal. It's a little longer than it should. So it's will or will. So
Okay.
yun lang naman. Those are the things that you can kuha mo siya eh. Kasi when you said there and there, mabilis. Maganda yung short and madiin yung pagka-pronounce mo, which is good. So,
Okay.
yun lang naman.
Thank you, sir.
So, let's move forward to the next part. So, 41 to
41.
60.
So,
So,
up, out, if, about, who, get, which. Parang mali.
tama. Tama
Me,
yun.
when, make, can, like, time, no, just, him, no, take.
Very good. Tama yun. Yung sinabi mo, nag-self-correct ka. Tama yun. Which ba? Anong word yung sinabi mo?
So, and which, yes, sir.
Yung, napapansin ko with words that end in O, ay hindi lahat. Pero, try to make it sound like, yung mga may O sound usually sa dulo, lagyan mo ng W. So.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Wala akong complaints dun sa sa third set. Parang naalala ko tuloy yung conversation natin na ng una, na parang natatakot ka because of pronunciation errors. Wala na, naayos mo na eh. Maybe a few years ago.
Yeah.
So, you don't, what do you call that? You don't return weaknesses that you've already shed. Final, sorry. Yung next 20, start with people and end in also.
Okay, sir. People, into, year, your, good, some, could, them, see, other, done, then, now, look, only, come, it's, over, think, also.
Okay. Some changes. Hala, ano yun? Anong word yun? Sige. Ako na lang. Nakalimutan ko eh. So, basahin ko na lang siya. So, starting from 61, it's people, into, year, your, good, some, could, them, see, other, than, then, now, look, only, come, it's, over, think, also. Yung than mo, parang nawala yung A kanina.
Okay.
Tapos, words like,
Sir, mali din ako kanina.
words like only, tsaka over, hindi ko maalala yung rule, but ito yung mga words na parang may W after the O. So, only, over.
Okay, sir.
Pati yung last,
Tandaan ko to.
also.
Also. So, Kasama yung also.
Yep, kasama yung also.
Yung into, sir. Hindi sa into.
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 Tama, into. Yun nga, yun din.
Into. May W din siya. Okay.
Yep. Hindi siya into eh. Into. Generally, tama yung minor adjustments na lang. Kompleto ba tulog mo? Parang bumababa yung energy level mo dito sa ano. Yung isa pang napansin ko. So, let's go to the next set. The final set. So, start with back and end with us.
Back, after, use, to, how, are, work, first, well, way, even, new, want, because, any, this, give, they, most, as.
Okay. So, some changes. 81 and 82, they both use the, hindi siya A sound, it's an AE sound na word. So, it sounds like back, parang AE, back, and then after. So, parang, when you open your mouth, parang gumigilid ng konti to make an E. Back, after.
Back.
Parang backla.
Kailangan talagang artihan yung ano.
Oo, yun talaga yun.
Back.
Wala akong, may internet ako, search ko. So, words with AE sound. So, yun, kasama yung and, bad, back, pass, had, have, jacket, happened. Happened. Okay, pero maliit sa happened. So, yun. Pero nasanay tayo sa end kaya nagagawa natin siya without thinking about it. Ang problema kasi is, itong order nitong words na to, these words are based on the most used words in both spoken and written English. So, transcripts ng interviews, news articles, so on and so forth. So, ito yung sequence. Yung first 20 yung pinaka ginagamit. And so on. That's why ito yung focus natin. Because in most conversations, lalabas tong words na to. So, yun, ito. 81 and 82 is AE sound. Maayos yung use mo kanina. So, use. And then to, how, our, work, first, well, way, even, new, tama ka sa new, nag-self-correct ka, want, because, any, yung these mo, parang, parang maiksi lang, these lang. So, imagine mo, with this word, lagyan mo lang ng extra E. So, these. And, mas parang magiging Z, almost Z sound yung S niya sa dulo. So, these. These give, they, most, us. Most, us.
Okay, sir.
No, ready ka na.
Ready.
So, may tuloy, next set.